the whole thing, the earlobe, that's the main. And then the skin is covering the canal. What is the name of the canal?
External acoustic meatus.
External acoustic meatus. Meatus, and which is like, remember meatus, the first like lab we have? Meatus is like just like a canal in a bone. So the canal in the bone is covered by the skin. What do we have there? Air and
Fluid. Fluid. Wax.
Earwax. What are the name of the glands that makes it? Ceruminous. Ceruminous glands, and the earwax itself is cerumen. All right, and then we go all the way down. It is another name for the external acoustic meatus is what? Ear canal, and sometimes auditory canal. Canal is to differentiate it from the tube. That is a tube, and that is external ear. That is the where is the tube? The auditory tube is part of what ear?
The inner ear.
This is the inner or the middle?
Middle ear.
Middle ear.
Middle ear.
Okay, then we have the drum. The eardrum is not the scientific name. What is the scientific name? Tympanic membrane. Okay, and then on the back side of the tympanic membrane, we have what? The bones. That is, now we are in the middle ear. The middle ear is filled with
Air.
air. Middle ear is filled with air. And it has what?
Is the air.
The drum. Behind the drum, what do you have in the middle ear?
The bones.
The bone. What do we call them together? Ossicles. Ossicles. The first one attached to the eardrum is the hammer. Hammer is not the malleus. Okay. And then the next one is
The anvil.
the anvil or incus. And the third one, we don't have them here because this is not the full model. The one I brought is the other one. But you, I doubt like if they are going to label each one and they ask you, but they are one after the other one. Okay, but they are missing here because it's broken. Okay, and but the last one is showing the step. So the inner ear, the middle ear is very small cavity. Okay, then you see the step. The step is actually attached to this. This is the step. This one here is the step. The last part of the bones, or the third bone of the ossicle, and it goes into the middle part of that. Now we are in the middle ear. I mean, sorry, the inner ear. Okay, so the step is right in the what part of the inner ear?
The same.
The
oval window that goes to them.
the oval window. The oval window is located in which part of the inner ear? Is two parts: the bony part
The cochlea
and the duct
and the
labyrinth. The bony part, the bony labyrinth, and the duct labyrinth. This is the duct system. Okay, and
That's
this is
outside of the bones, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it sits on top
it
of
sits
the bone.
on the
And the bones.
bony labyrinth. The bony labyrinth is filled with fluid, and that fluid is similar to
CSF. CBS?
cerebrospinal fluid.
You said CBS.
Okay, and this is floating in it. CSF.
CSF.
CPSS.
I was like, CBS? They saw that fluid at CBS?
CSF.
Cerebrospinal fluid.
Okay. All right. So that is the perilimb, which is similar to the cerebrospinal fluid. Inside, that is the membranous labyrinth, which is made of duct systems. Three parts, right? The one on this side, that's the anterior. That is the semicircular canal. All right. In the middle is the vestibule, and the posterior part is a cochlear. Okay. So if you see, like the step is fitting into the oval window, which is in the vestibule. Okay. What else? Of course, this is like the spiral coiling. That is the cochlea. The cochlea is mainly what? Well, let us, before you go there, inside this duct system, what do we have? Fluid, right? What do we call that fluid? If the one outside is perilymph, endolymph, and the endolymph, the perilymph is
Around.
like the CSF, and this one is like intracellular, yeah, because it is rich in potassium. All right. So the last part is the cochlea. Which one of like these are? What is the inner ear function?
Balance.
Balance or equilibrium, and the main function of the ear is what? Hearing.
I didn't hear you.
All right. So the cochlea is mainly the hearing. The vestibula is mainly equilibrium, but all of them are. Remember the semicircular canals? Remember, like we said, when they go at the bottom, they have these enlarged ends, right? And that's where we call them the ampulla or the ampullae, and that is the region where we have the receptors for equilibrium. So they participate in equilibrium too. Okay? And again, which one is anterior circular, and which one is the lateral, and which one is the posterior?
Anterior, lateral, posterior.
Anterior, posterior,
And the one you had.
lateral. All right? And then the last thing is, what is that? Yellow color? That is cranial nerve number. Number 8. Cranial nerve number 8. It comes as one vestibulocochlear, and then it divides into. See, like one branch. The branch in the model that goes to the cochlea is continuous. The one that goes to the vestibule is cut. But these are two branches. One branch goes to the cochlea, and the other branch goes to the vestibule. All right. So that is essentially it.